That thing's got a real sensitive trigger on it.
Right.
You may want to skip. Let me see again. See, when I shot it one time and it came up like this and it came back down and I didn't move my finger and it went off again. So I shot a hole right over there in the baffle, if you can see up here. So you can do it like that, or take one of these out. Shoot it that way. I'm not trying to tell you what to do, you can do it either way.
No, I will take advice.
You're in. Holy! That one's for the queen.
You'll put your third round in. And what do you have to say for the camera?
Hi, Mom.